National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a flash flood warning for Clay County in eastern Arkansas, Greene County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Dunklin County, Missouri, until 9:45 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Paragould, Malden, Piggott, Corning, Campbell, Rector, Marmaduke, Chalk Bluff Natural Area, Crowley's Ridge State Park, Oak Grove Heights, Leif, Noble, St. Francis, Pollard, Greenway, McDougal, Success, Peach Orchard, Delaplane, and Dado. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been